I'm getting ready to go out for my walk. I had my hair in about maybe 5 or 6 Bantu knots, and I took them down. Now I'm trying to style my hair for my walk, so I decided that I would just include you guys in this style that I'm going to wear. I'm trying not to put too much tension on my edges, but this is what I'm going to do, and I hope it turns out okay. And all I'm doing is grabbing some hair and wrapping it around the Bantu knot that I left up in the top, and hopefully it works out. And it stays. That holds that there. So this is just for my walk this morning, because I will be shampooing my hair today to prepare for my retightening tomorrow. And I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to see what the back looks like, because that matters as well, even if I'm going out to walk. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make this adjustment. And we should be okay now. Okay. Notice that I'm just wrapping it around. I'm really supposed to be crisscrossing. I missed this one. And I think I went to the wrong side, but it's okay. Tucking it under. I'm going to use this ponytail holder because I think that right now I need to secure it. If I can. This one's not long enough. You know what? Okay, there we go. A little bit more, maybe. That's my last one. My hair is ready for my walk. Off of my neck, cool. Got a little straggly sticking up here. That's okay. With a little bit more time and being more meticulous, this could be a formal updo. But today, it's just my hairstyle for my walk. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He woke me up this morning, started me on my way. And I really appreciate that. I really do. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.